Hello. In October 2011, my family was my father's house. Specifically, we were evicted. My name is Kevin Potter Jr. My father, Kevin Potter Sr., was evicted from his residence. It was a bankruptcy. He was losing his home. The county sheriff's department came to the house, our house, with a SWAT team, a SWAT, S-W-A-T, team with riot shields and without a warrant, without an order to evict, came in. One of the attorneys for the creditors told the sheriff's department to do it. He's now a judge. He wasn't a judge then. Told him to go in there, got a warrant, broke into the building with riot shields, knocked my grandmother to the ground, caused her to have spinal injuries. Her name is Marge Potter. Her phone number is 60. This happened in 13104 West Buckshootem Road, Millville, New Jersey 08332. Happened in October 2011. The sheriff's department had used excessive, unlawful force for an eviction. There's no reason they can justify using a SWAT team for an eviction. Give you a little background about the abusive practices that have been going on, not just then, for the last 5 years. My father and my neighbors, they had a boundary line dispute. My father's neighbor, one of my father's neighbors, the whole they're called the Sorrentino family. One of them was a state trooper. Because they had a boundary line dispute out there, this is a rural area, they got offended, and my father used the civil court system for remedies. They used local power that they had within local power to have my father handcuffed at trial, a civil trial, and we lost, forcing us. We lost a $100,000 judgment, and causing my father to go bankruptcy and losing the house. Okay. Also, the state trooper, David Scott Sorrentino, New Jersey State Police, has made numerous false allegations about my father, having my father try to be locked up. But regardless about my father, there's no reason why you come in with a SWAT team, S-A-T team, S-W-A-T team, with riot shields for an eviction. There's no judge authorized that. They took my father away. They arrested him, locked him up. They charged him with obstruction of justice. 3 days later, it was dismissed. Lack of jurisdiction. If this is not police corruption, using political connections to political pool to use the SWAT team for the sheriff's department for your political purposes, I don't know what is. I'm a Iraq War veteran. I've had to deal with alleged Al-Qaeda members, alleged Taliban, alleged members of the Jisma al-Mahdi army in Iraq, the Shiite insurgency. I had to treat those individuals with dignity and respect and uphold the Geneva Convention, and I had to use the least amount of force necessary at all times. That was not done for an eviction. A simple eviction. My phone number is 856-434-1790. I am making this referral because I believe we need some help. We need help. We've tried contacting state attorney general's internal affairs. Nothing. The sheriff's department internal affairs. Nothing. We've contacted federal for federal civil rights violence. Nothing. A member of the department who's a friend of our family, sheriff department, wasn't involved there, said there's been an order to try to cover up the situation. Because they know they're wrong, send a SWAT team in for an eviction. A SWAT team with riot shields, and my grandmother has had to have injuries to her neck. I want those sheriff's department officers arrested, tried, prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. And I can tell you one thing. I'm referring you to my father, and my father will stand up for his rights. He will stand up for his rights to the end of time.